lead you. I'ma lead you to a pathway. First impression left a bad taste. Who gives a fuck about my birthday? Long nights, but I've had worse days. It don't matter what time it is, I need my space. I've been under the line with my cats and dogs. Dark alley up the stairway, graveyard through the smoke and fog. All dogs go to heaven, where's the cats in the sun? Backyard buried under the lawn. I just wish we could all get along. All my worst days were like cats and dogs in the same space. I just wish we could all get along. I just wish you were over the lawn. It's hard to smile when there's too much to handle. Daydreaming's no changing the channel. ADD, too many plans I might cancel. First day, dog years over my flannel. On my worst days, who needs friends? Well, most of them fake. My cats and dogs won't take their place, but I saved you a spot. My cats and dogs will even make room. I need you the most, you just gave me space. You said I'd change, run away like the thoughts in your brain. Do I fit your persona today? I'm a square boy, look at shame. Dark alley up the stairway, graveyard through the smoke and fog. All dogs go to heaven, where's the cats in the sand? Backyard buried under the lawn. Last day, but fuck her, she was too much to handle. Rather chill with my cats and dogs, buried under the lawn. I just wish you were over the lawn. Now I can see your shadow by the stone and the gravel, buried under the plains. Ever since my dogs died, I ain't living the same.